gonna check out Area 15, and we're also gonna check out the Omega Mart. Let's go.
我再往前 move 一点。
Okay. It's a beautiful day today.
Area 15.
Not Area 51.
Oh yeah. I keep forgetting.
Guess there's another door. Oh wow. What do you think of the place so far?
It's very cool. It's just got a very it's an ice latte.
It's
Right,
like
it's got a very fun vibe.
it's like techno art basically.
It's very cool. You feel like you're in like feature like a teenager's version for Disneyland.
Teenagers in Disneyland?
Yeah, for kids who think they're too cool for Disneyland, they can
Ah.
come somewhere like this and still have a lot of fun.
True, true. This is so cool, this tree.
So it's good for adults because there's a bar. What is it for? I don't know, it's just mirrors.
Oh yeah, I can see everybody in one shot. That's cool.
Is this a box? Is this a box?
It's like a mirror box.
That's one kid.
Oh, that's the bird ride, right?
Mom, I want Mom and Dad to try it too.
This is so cool
What do you
looking.
think, Steph?
I will try.
Do you want Mom and Dad to try? No. I kind of want to see what your personalities are.
Brainwaves, intentions, and desires by interpreting your responses to my questions. To be or not to be. Choose the image that speaks to you the most.
The brain looks just different now.
To be
My
or not
card
to be.
is StarCore.
Omega Mart. Why is it so expensive? It's just like a little exhibit.
I guess we'll find out. It's personalized bleach. What does that mean?
So you can buy them?
Apparently. Yeah, well, I don't want you to get fooled so hard. Muscle Fresh toothpaste?
Wait, so I think there's actually toothpaste in here.
Oh.
And I just like looked at this. I think this is actually a body wash for mitosis. For my coach likes it.
300 likes. 404 Beauty?
Yes, you can buy some. Dog linen scented.
Wow.
Do not get your dog wet. Wait, you spray your dog with this.
Don't spray your dog.
It's a fragrance.
It seems weird to spray your dog.
Oh my god, look at that.
Where family meets freedom.
Oh my god. Essentially sweet orange.
Okay, there's more stuff in there. Oh my gosh, Mom. It's a heart.
Essentially squeezed oranges.
Yep, these are intestines.
Oh wow.
Give me the price count.
Oh, the prices went AWOL over here. What is that?
Dehydrated water. Empty contents of pan is 1 gallon of water. Stir until dissolved. Chill and serve.
Oh my god, let's eat it. What is butter?
I am Walter Damn Trio, and I refuse. Turn me to my franchises. Take me back to Omega Mart, where the families are friendly and the clerk's not a cut their damn hair.
Done. What is that?
It's a cleaning spray that's not butter. We told you it's butter.
Well, the nat it kind of spilled everywhere.
That's where we ended.
Let's try that again. There's like this weird slurp go machine. Doesn't look like it's real. And then there's a ton, there's like outdoor stuff here. Oh, here's the produce section. Ridiculous and
We should get this for our next beach trip.
oh my gosh, it's a daikon doll. There you are. Whoa, look at the
下面的脚下。
哦，这只是灯啊。哦 Cool. Yeah. What is this?
I think this is from the janitor's closet.
Oh.
This is from the janitor's
This leads into the janitor's closet? Oh. Now this place has changed.
That
No.
page over there.
It's in my bag. I don't think the GoPro is really useful in this area.
We've been there.
Are those Roombas? Whoa. You may allow yourself 20 minutes R&R after the task is over. Thank you, Patricia. Okay? Oh, again? Oh. Walked into a waiting room.
No such one.
Am I supposed to be here?
Oh, looks like a staff room.
I don't want to come here.
But wait. Oh,
I just walked into their.
into a AA Alliance meeting. You can go in there. Oh, okay. Mirrors. It's all mirrors. Oh, you cannot see anything in here. Maybe it is.
I don't think it does.
Maybe it's just our imagination.
No, it says you change the
Whoa, it's all smoky in here. Looks like this might be a place where they develop new products. Like product development. Human Element Collection?
That's me.
This is like a actual maze. It just goes on and on forever.
We didn't go there yet.
This place is pretty. Ooh, this seems very pretty. There's like all these little rooms with like art everywhere, or lights everywhere.
Okay. Continue now.
Places people can crawl out of here. Ooh, it's all rainbowy. Oh, back to here with the slide. Sometimes I feel like everything just seems so random. Right? There's nothing tying them together.
About like smart comedy, like The Good Place, when you like everything is a touch of reality but a little bit warped. So
looks like you're on fire. To get in. This is the coolest way in. And that's everything.
It was like a big entertainment complex, a lot of art, and a lot of paid-for activities.
Kind of like a mini nature.
Yeah, it's almost like an elevated arcade
Yeah.
with a lot more
With
modern.
lots of plenty and lots of science technology.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
Make it fancier.
Yeah,
What did you think of Omega Mart itself, like as an attraction?
I thought it was fun.
But they overprice everything.
This type of comedy that's very popular these days. I have like my college roommates who do that kind of comedy now.
My issue with Omega Mart is sort of that the attraction itself is sort of like, it's about exploring for you. However, it's a little random, a little too random at times. At some point, you get a little lost with what you're actually doing.
So you're saying you wish there was a little bit more of a storyline?
I mean, yeah, it's a mart with like a back end, but like, what exactly was that back end? I have
It's
no
the other
idea.
dimensions. So you find the portals to the other dimension through the,
Yeah,
through
but
the surreal supermarket.
there was a bit of storytelling where they're trying to tell us about like how the back end has like these research development, and it's all about like the human
It's
brain
like
elements and
sci-fi
Yeah.
capitalism gone